Wanna connect your social media apps like Facebook or TikTok to your Mobile Legends Bang Bang gaming app? Through this video, I will show you step-by-step process to connect the social media app to Mobile Legends application. So let's get started. Now to connect your social media apps, make sure that your app is logged into your phone. Here, I'm gonna connect my TikTok account with Mobile Legends Bang Bang. But if you want to connect with Facebook and others, then follow the same way cause the processes are similar. Now, here I'm logged in with my TikTok account. Now to connect, first open the Mobile Legends app, tap on your account profile, tap account. Here you can see the TikTok. Tap on it, tap accept, tap authorize. After that, your Facebook or TikTok account will be connected with Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Now if you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.